Toss-up 1. Math, multiple choice. Which of the following describes the lines represented by the equations 5x plus 3y equals 15 and negative 10x minus 6y equals 60? W. They are parallel. 10. They are skew. Y. They intersect at exactly one point. Z. They are the same line. Answer. W. They are parallel. Bonus 1. Math, short answer. Nellie bought a mixture of two types of her favorite candies, costing 40 cents and 50 cents per ounce, respectively. The cost of 50 ounces of her mixture was $21.80. How many ounces of the 50-cent candy were in the mixture? Answer, 18. Toss-up 2. General science, multiple choice. Which of the following instruments is best for measuring humidity? W. Hygrometer. 10. Barometer. Y. Anemometer. Z. Hydrometer. Answer. W. Hygrometer. Bonus 2. General science, short answer. The diamond-shaped NFPA symbol on chemical containers includes 4 smaller diamonds, representing 4 hazard areas. Name 2 of them. Answer. Any 2 of health, flammability, instability, and special hazards. Toss-up 3. Life science, short answer. What is the main structural material found in a skate skeleton? Answer. Cartilage. Bonus 3. Life science, short answer. The keel is a broad surface for muscle attachment that protrudes from what bone in a bird's body? Answer. Sternum. Toss-up 4. Energy, multiple choice. Which of the following electricity generation methods would work best as a peaker plant? W. Coal-fired. 10. Natural gas-fired. Y. Nuclear. Z. Geothermal. Answer. 10. Natural gas-fired. Bonus 4. Energy, multiple choice. In a standard lithium-ion battery, from what substance is the anode made? W. Carbon. 10. Lithium cobalt oxide. Y. Lithium iron phosphate. Z. Copper. Answer. W. Carbon. Toss-up 5. Earth and space, multiple choice. The rings of Saturn are mostly made of which of the following substances? W. Iron. 10. Ice. Y. Rock. Z. Gas. Answer. 10. Ice. Bonus 5. Earth and space, short answer. Order the following 4 reservoirs of Earth's freshwater from the smallest to the largest. 1. Ice caps and glaciers. 2. Groundwater. 3. Atmosphere. 4. Lakes. Answer. 3, 4, 2, 1. Toss-up. 6. Physical science, short answer. What is it called when all forces acting on an object are balanced? Answer. Equilibrium. Bonus 6. Physical science, short answer. 3 resistors of 2, 3, and 4 ohms, respectively, are wired in parallel, and the resulting combination is in series with a 5 ohm resistor. What is the equivalent resistance, in ohms, of the entire circuit? Answer. 77/13. Toss-up. 7. General science, multiple choice. Which of the following is a geographical region characterized by hills, plateaus, and mountains? W. Continental shelf. 10. Altitude. Y. Highland. Z. Cliff. Answer. Y. Highland. Bonus 7. General science, short answer. What is the term used to describe an experiment in which neither the subjects nor the experimenters know which subjects are in the control and treatment groups? Answer. Double-blind. Toss-up. 8. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following traits is not a characteristic of modern birds? W. Feathers. 10. A 3-chambered heart. Y. A beak with no teeth. Z. A lightweight but strong skeleton. Answer. 10. A 3-chambered heart. Bonus 8. Life science, short answer. Book lungs would most likely be found in what class of animals? Answer. Arachnida. Toss-up. 9. Physical science, multiple choice. As you walk, which of the following forces is the most directly responsible for propelling you forward? W. The normal force of the ground on your foot. 10. The force of your foot pushing on the ground. Y. The friction between your foot and the ground. Z. The reaction force of the ground on your foot. Answer. Z. The reaction force of the ground on your foot. Bonus 9. Physical science, short answer. A speck of dust sits on the edge of a 12-inch diameter LP record. If the record rotates at 45 rotations per minute, what is the linear speed, in inches per minute, of the speck of dust? Answer. 540 pi. Toss-up 10. Math, short answer. What is the degree of the product of the three binomials x plus 2, x to the fourth plus x squared, and x squared plus 3? Answer, 7. Bonus, 10. Math, short answer. A bag contains 9 different mini candy bars. How many different sets of 3 of them can be selected? Answer, 84. Toss-up, 11. Energy, short answer. Compact fluorescent light bulbs should be recycled because they contain what harmful element? Answer. Mercury. Bonus, 11. Energy, multiple choice. Research at Argonne National Laboratory has been done on nuclear fuel recycling. After a nuclear fuel rod has been removed from a reactor, which of the following is closest to the percentage of the unused uranium that is still present in the rod and could be recycled? W. 25. 10. 50. Y. 75. Z. 95. Answer. Z. 95. Toss-up, 12. Earth and space, short answer. Which of Hubble's 4 categories of galaxies does not have a distinct spiral or elliptical shape? Answer. Irregular. Bonus, 12. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following types of plate tectonic boundaries is associated with shallow earthquakes, but not with volcanism? W. Convergent. 10. Divergent. Y. Passive. Z. Transform. Answer. Z. Transform. Toss-up, 13. Physical science, multiple choice. The Rutherford experiment was actually carried out by Hans Geiger and Ernest Marsden at the request of Rutherford. Which of the following statements is not true about this work? W. Rutherford inferred the gold electrons were responsible for deflecting the alpha particles by small angles. 10. Rutherford inferred the gold nuclei were responsible for deflecting the alpha particles by large angles. Y. The deflected alpha particles were detected as points of light on a fluorescent screen. Z. Approximately 1 in 20,000 alpha particles was deflected by 90 degrees or more. Answer. W. Rutherford inferred the gold electrons were responsible for deflecting the alpha particles by small angles. Bonus 13. Physical science, multiple choice. An object is placed between the focal point and curvature center of a concave mirror. How does the image compare to the object? W. Upside down and smaller. 10. Upside down and larger. Y. Right side up and smaller. Z. Right side up and larger. Answer. 10. Upside down and larger. Toss-up 14. Energy, multiple choice. Which of the following fuels used for electricity production produces radioactive waste? W. Wind. 10. Natural gas. Y. Geothermal. Z. Coal. Answer. Z. Coal. Bonus 14. Energy, short answer. What Juves River has the most potential to generate electricity using existing dams? Answer. Ohio. Toss-up 15. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following is true regarding the differences between RNA and DNA? W. RNA is used as a catalyst, while DNA is not. 10. RNA cannot be replicated, but DNA can. Y. RNA is always single-stranded, while DNA is always double-stranded. Z. RNA is more stable than DNA. Answer. W. RNA is used as a catalyst, while DNA is not. Bonus 15. Life science, multiple choice. Which of these bones is fused in a bird's body? W. Radius. 10. Clavicle. Y. Humerus. Z. Scapula. Answer. 10. Clavicle. Toss-up 16. Math, short answer. What is the least common multiple of 3, 10, and 20? Answer, 60. Bonus 16. Math, short answer. A hiker traveled 4 kilometers east, proceeded 11 kilometers south, then 6 kilometers west, and finally 6 kilometers north. How far, in kilometers, is the hiker from the starting point? Answer, the square root of 29. Toss-up 17. General science, short answer. What device uses high rotational speed to increase the fraction of the fissile isotope of uranium needed for nuclear fuel? Answer. Centrifuge. Bonus 17. General science, multiple choice. Which of the following would not be considered raw data? W. Geographic coordinates of a mountain. 10. Efficiency of a solar cell. Y. Satellite images of a storm. Z. Temperature of a fish tank. Answer. 10. Efficiency of a solar cell. Toss-up 18. Earth and space, short answer. What is the next brightest star in the night sky, after Sirius? Answer. Canopus. Bonus 18. Earth and space, multiple choice. In which of the following rock types are you most likely to find crossbedding? W. Sandstone. 10. Basalt. Y. Gneiss. Z. Granite. Answer. W. Sandstone. Toss-up 19. Math, short answer. If a number is increased by 40%, by what percent is its square increased? Answer 96. Bonus 19. Math, short answer. The graph of the line with equation y equals 3x plus 2 is reflected through the x-axis. What is the slope-intercept equation of the reflected line? Answer: y equals negative 3x minus 2. Toss-up 20. Physical science, short answer. What quantum number was adopted in 1925 to explain closely spaced pairs of emission lines? Answer: spin. Bonus 20. Physical science, multiple choice. In general, metals do not have which of the following properties? W. Contain 1, 2, or 3 valence electrons. 10. Low ionization energies. Y. High electron affinities. Z. Low electronegativities. Answer: Y. High electron affinities. Toss-up 21. Life science, multiple choice. Why do invasive species tend to outcompete native species? W. Invasive species are better adapted to the area. 10. Invasive species have no native predators. Y. Invasive species remove competition from the area. Z. Invasive species reduce predation pressure on other species. Answer: 10. Invasive species have no native predators. Bonus 21. Life science, short answer. Identify all of the following 4 amino acids that you would not expect to find buried in the core of a folded protein. 1. Asparagine. 2. Phenylalanine. 3. Methionine. 4. Lysine. Answer 1, 4. Toss-up 22. Math, short answer. The measure of an exterior angle of a regular polygon is 20 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? Answer 18. Bonus 22. Math, short answer. A prism with 12 edges has how many faces? Answer 6. Toss-up 23. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following is not an evaporite mineral? W. Halite. 10. Gypsum. Y. Corundum. Z. Borax. Answer. Y. Corundum. Bonus 23. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 4 geologic time intervals that can be identified in the rock record using index fossils. 1. Hadean. 2. Devonian. 3. Neolithic. 4. Jurassic. Answer 2 and 4.